Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add an Instagram link on Shopify. This is a simple yet powerful way to connect your online store with your social media presence, making it easier for customers to follow and engage with your brand across platforms. First, open your web browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Shopify dashboard, which is your central hub for managing everything related to your online store. Now, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Click on Content and you'll see a drop-down appear with several options. From this drop-down, select Menus. This section is where you can manage all the navigation menus across your store, giving you control over how customers move through your site. Next, you'll see a list of available menus where you can add your Instagram link. You have a few options here. You can choose the main menu, footer menu, or customer account main menu, depending on where you want the link to be most visible to your visitors. Each placement serves a different purpose, so think about where your customers are most likely to look for social media connections. For this example, let's click on Main Menu. This is typically the most prominent navigation area on your store, so it's a great spot for important links. Once you've opened the main menu, look for the button that says Add Menu Item and click on it. A new dialog box will appear where you can customize your menu item. In the label field, type something simple like Instagram. This is what your customers will see as the clickable text. Then, in the link field, paste your Instagram profile URL. Make sure the link is correct so it directs visitors to the right place. After filling in both fields, click the checkmark icon to confirm and add the item to your menu. If you want to rearrange the order of your menu items, you can do so easily. Simply click and drag any menu item up or down to position it exactly where you'd like it to appear in your navigation. Once you're satisfied with the placement and details, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save. This action will apply all the changes you've made to your menu structure. To see how your new Instagram link looks on your live store, click the eye icon next to Online Store on the left side. This will open a preview of your store in a new tab, allowing you to test the link and make sure everything is working as expected. And that's it. You've successfully added an Instagram link to your Shopify store, making it easier for customers to connect with you on social media. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.